How to create an auto reply on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. At the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Make sure that the professional dashboard appears above Edit Profile. This indicates the account has been switched to a creator or business account, which is necessary to set up an auto reply. At the top right corner of the screen, click on the 3 horizontal lines. In the menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section and click on the Messages and Story Replies. Now click on the Message Controls. In this, look for the option Allow Access to Messages and toggle on the switch. Now go back and open the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for the Meta Business Suite. Download and install the app created by Facebook for managing business accounts. After installation, open the Meta Business Suite app. By default, it will show the Facebook account. Now click on Login with a different account type. Here, click on Login with Instagram. Here you can see all the Instagram accounts that are logged into your device. Click on the account that you want an auto reply option. Here click on Allow. Then click on Get Started. Now click on the cross marks on Create Story and Create Reel. Confirm that they are on their Instagram profile within the app. Tap the More button at the bottom right of the Meta Business Suite app. At the bottom right, choose Settings. Look for the option Automations and click on it. Here, click on the Instant Reply option and toggle on the switch next to the Instagram. Tap the pencil icon to customize the message. Instruct viewers to delete the default message and replace it with their own. Example message: Thanks for reaching out. After editing the message, hit Save. Again, at the top right corner of the screen, click on Save. Now anyone who sends a message to the Instagram business account will now receive the auto reply instantly. And that's it.